Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video what we discussed, we discussed up to types of vulgar fractions, proper and improper. Okay, the leftover types of fractions there, no, we will discuss in this video. See that the third type of fraction, that is a mixed fraction. What is that, ma? Mixed fraction. So what about that mixed fraction here? The combination of a whole and a proper fraction. What about that proper fraction, ma? If the numerator is less than denominator, then we will call that fraction as a proper fraction. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, then we will call those fractions are improper fractions. That's what we discussed in that previous video, no? Now here in this video we are going to discuss about that mixed fraction. What is that mixed fraction, ma? The combination of a whole and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Is called a mixed fraction, which means here example say that 1 and 1 by 2, 1 and 1 by 2, which means how we will call this one, ma? 1 and half. How we will read it? 1 and half or 1 and 1 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2 part, which means one complete part, one whole part. Whole means complete only, no? One complete part, excess some other part. Excess part is 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Okay, here 1 is whole, this is in the form of A and B by C. A and B by C. Here A is whole part and B by C is a proper fraction. B by C is a proper fraction. Now here 1 by 2 is a proper fraction only, no? And here 1 means this is a whole part. Okay, ma, understand? 1 means one complete part and 1 by 2 means some other part. Here we are taking that one other part, from that other part we are taking 1 by 2, which means just like that improper fraction. Yes or no? Improper fraction, what I told you that here one complete part we have to take and the same number of equal parts, along with that we have to take another one also. Okay, so and in the same way here also just take that one whole part, and in the same way in that some other total part we have to take half. Understood? That one represents as 1 by 2, and in the same way 2 and 4 by 5. Okay, 1 and 1 by 3 and so on. This kind of fractions are known as mixed fractions. Understood, ma? Here see that how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. Every mixed fraction we convert as improper fraction, and every improper fraction we can convert into mixed fractions. Understood, ma? Now here say that convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Into an improper fraction. Convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. See here, mixed fraction I want to take that one as 2 and 1 by 3. 2 and 1 by 3. That is a mixed fraction only, no? How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? See that. Here 3 into 2 plus 1 by 3. That is the method. Okay. Once again see that here A and B by C, we can write this one as C into A plus B by C form. This is the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, ma? Now here see that which is equals to 3 into 2 is equal to 6 plus 1 by 3. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 3. 7 by 3 means here 7 is greater than 3. Then we can say that this is an improper fraction. Improper fraction. Did you understand this one, ma? This concept? A and B by C is there. How to convert into improper fraction means C into A plus B by C, whole by C. Okay ma, in this manner we have to convert that mixed fractions into improper fractions. One more example I will tell you, say that 4 and 2 by 5. 4 and 2 by 5. How to do that? Try with me, see here. 5 into, here in the denominator which number is there, with that number we should multiply with a whole number. Okay, 5 into 4 plus 2 by 5. 5 4s 20 plus 2 by 5. Now here 22 by 5. 22 by 5, that is which fraction? Improper fraction. Why? Because 22 is greater than 5. That's why here 22 by 5 is an improper fraction. Understood ma? In this manner we should convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. Next, how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? See that. Convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Into mixed fraction. See that ma. Here for example improper fraction is 9 by 5. 9 by 5 improper fraction only, no? How to convert that improper fraction into mixed fraction? See that. Here we have to do that 9 divided by 5. 9 divided by 5. That one only, no? Meaning here division form, fraction form, rational numbers, these all are same only, no ma? Now here see that 9 divided by 5. 9 divided by 5. 5 ones 5. Okay. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Now here we have to write this one as, here in the denominator only we are having that 5, no? So write here 5. Okay. 5 into how much ma? 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is equals to 5 plus 4. Okay. How to write this one means, see here in the denominator we should write that a divisor. Actually this is divisor only, no? Divisor. And here quotient. Here remainder. In this manner you have to write. Okay ma? In that division form we know that, right? 5. 9 divided by 5. 5 ones 5. And here the remainder is 4. This is the divisor. This is quotient. And this is called a remainder. Okay. And here 9 is a dividend. But that is not required here. That's why I am not written here. See. Divisor, quotient, remainder. Okay, where we have to write the divisor ma? In the denominator only we should write the divisor. Why? Because here in the denominator only we are having the number 5. Okay, in that divisor that is 5, no? That's why here we written that 5. And here quotient. Quotient is what ma? Here 1. At the place of quotient you have to write that 1. Q R by D. Understood? Now I'll tell you one more example. Say that. Second example. 11 by 3. 11 by 3 is improper fraction only, no? Now here see that 11 divided by 3. 3 3s 9. 11 minus 9 which is equals to here 2. Okay. Now how to write that? What is the divisor? 3. What is the quotient? 3. What is the remainder? 2. That's it. Okay. Again 3 3s 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 by 3. Understood ma? In this way you have to convert that mixed fractions into improper and improper fractions into mixed fractions. Okay. After this one we are having that like fractions. What is that next one? Like fractions. Fourth one, like fractions. Fractions are having or fractions with same denominators. Fractions with same denominators. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Now here say that example. 2 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Same denominators only, no? First denominator 4, second denominator 4, third denominator 4. In the set of fractions, all the denominators are having same value. Okay, all the denominators are same, then we will call those fractions are like fractions. Okay, ma? Next, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means fractions with different denominators. Fractions with different denominators. With different denominators. Okay, with different denominators means 1 by 3, 2 by 4, 6 by 3. These all are the different denominators. Okay, sorry, 6 by 5. Okay, ma, in this set of fractions we are having 3, 4, 5. Okay, different denominators there, no? That's why we will call this type of fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions means what, ma? Fractions with that different denominators, we will call them as unlike fractions. Okay, and still we are having one more fraction, that is unit fraction. Unit fraction means numerator is 1. Numerator is 1. Then we will call that fractions as unit fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 100, 1 by 99, 1 by 200, 1 by 200, like that any fraction we can take it as a unit fraction, but its numerator is 1. Understood, ma? So this kind of fractions are known as unit fractions. So up to here types of fractions completed, and still we are having that equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are nothing but equivalent rational numbers. How we got that equivalent rational numbers? By dividing or by multiplying both numerator and denominator of a rational number by same non-zero integer. Same non-zero integer, then we will get that one more fraction, right? The value of the fraction should be same to that, should be same or equal to that the fraction what we taken. Understood, ma? Just say that equivalent fraction means equivalent fraction means what here? For example, 2 by 4 is there. I want to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number, then here 2 3 6, 4 3 is 12. Okay, now here 6 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 4. Already we discussed this one in that rational numbers, so same as that fractions also. Understood, ma? Here by using that multiplication or by using that division also we can do that. Divided by 12, divided by 12, which is equals to 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 2 by 3. Understood, ma? 2 by 3 is that equivalent fraction of 24 by 36. Understood? So by multiplying, by doing that multiplication or by doing that division, here both that numerator and denominator should be performed by the same non-zero integer. Then only we will get that equivalent fractions or equivalent rational numbers. Understood, ma? Up to here totally types of fractions completed. After this one we are having that rational numbers. Already we discussed now what about that rational number. Now here each rational number we are having again decimal terminal forms, and in the same way decimals as non-terminating decimals also. Okay, terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. Okay, ma, we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you all.